This video, I'm going to show my mobile app idea and give you a general overview of what my mobile app is going to do, who it's for. My mobile app idea is called Objective-C Prep. The purpose of this mobile app is going to be to help iOS developers study and prepare themselves for job interviews. The intended audience is iOS mobile app developers that use iPhone, iPod Touch while seeking career opportunities. Here are general overview of the screenshots. I'll have a launch screen. And it will have screens for both the smaller devices and the iPad in both orientations, vertical and horizontal for every screen. The launch view will just show a logo. It will immediately go to the main, which I call Prac View because that's the main function of this app. It will show a list of questions with a search filter at the top of the list, so you can search through the question. Either tap the question to show an answer, in a modal view, close the answer, go back to the list of questions, or you can swipe left on a question to get these extra menu options. One is a Twitter button. Tapping that will show you the Twitter UI, which will go back to the list of questions. When you're done, swipe left on a question. You also have an option to tap this heart icon, which will highlight that question as one of your favorite questions. And highlighting a question, highlight the color in the list. I have 4 main screens, my tab bar at the bottom. And one of those is for a map view. And the map view will show pin annotations on the map to show you where you have job interviews scheduled. And tapping on one of the pin annotations will show you a few basic details about your job interview, such as the date, the location, and the time of the job interview. Tapping on a pin annotation will show you the details view, which I call add view, and it will give you details, and you can also edit the details, cancel, or even delete. If you click delete, it will take you to a screen that will just ask to confirm if you wish to delete. Whether you say cancel or you okay to delete, you will go back to that details view. It's actually an add view because the add view is on this tab bar, and if you wish to add an interview, you go to this screen here and click the add. You will have the option to add all the details here. Now if you clicked a job interview that's already been entered, those details will already be entered on this screen. Another option on the tab bar is for the calendar view. It will take you to this screen, the calendar view. This screen will only show the date, time, and location of all your job interviews. If you tap on one of those job interviews, you will again go to the details screen. And this details screen is where you always have access to edit the job interview details or cancel or delete. And now I will show you the details of each of these screens I have in my design document. So the prep view, which is the main view, this is where I plan to have the search filter. The list of questions will be here, and this one where it's blue, that's highlighted because the user swiped left onto the list item, which is a question, and they chose to tap that heart icon, which highlighted the question. Now if they tap the Twitter icon, they will go to this Twitter UI here and be able to tweet that question onto their Twitter profile. After they send it, it'll be sent back to that main view. Now if they tap the question on the list, they will see an answer appear in a pop-up and a close button, and when they tap the close button, they will be back to where they started, which is the main view. Now if they tap the map button down here, they will be taken to the map view, and the map view will show a map with the current location. There will be pins on the map to show where they have job interviews scheduled, and if they tap on one of the pins, they will see basic details about that job interview. You can click the details button to view the details view, which is actually the add view, because the details view editable form will show the details of the job interview, but you can actually tap on any of these details to edit that and save it, delete, and if you do, you'll see the delete confirmation, and whether you click yes or cancel, the delete will be taken right back to the details view, the add view. Now if you tap the calendar button in the tab bar, you will see the calendar view, which shows a search filter at the top, and then the list of job interviews, the time, location of the job. Tapping on one of the list items will take you to this details view again. And that's all of the features in this mobile app that I have planned for.